You guys have no idea how psyched I am about this. Yeah. Oh. Oh my, you guys don't even know. Oh my God. You have no idea how psyched I am about this. Oh my God, you have no idea how psyched I am. We're watching Tokyo Drift in an R33. Yeah! Woo! This is awesome. There's no turbo, there's no intake manifold, there's no set of wheels or body kit that is going to surpass the mod that we just did today, boys. We are playing Tokyo Drift while driving my Nissan Skyline. End game. The build's over. I know you guys like when I start the vlogs off with music, so here you go. I was really psyched. I wanted to give you guys a lawnmower startup, but it won't start. I gotta move this car again because the lift is here, baby. Cool. All right. So we've got a lift, cherry picker. This is crazy, dude. I can measure for you. Right here? 10 feet? Yeah, I'd say like, give me like a foot to walk around back here, I would say, yeah? This is gonna be such a cool, it's so cool, dude. Coming together finally. While we're doing all of this, we're doing some first time homeowner stuff today.
It keeps getting choked.
Look at this, there's a whole jungle of stuff back here.
Look at this. Look how tall that was.
Whew. Homeowner things, bro. It's so fun. Can't wait to have this the first time it'll be mowed. It wasn't even that nice whenever we moved in, so. Yeah! Woo! Yep, got it. Do these like expand when they get into the ground? Really? Okay, yeah. That's so cool. How neat. I have been building cars on my back for so long that it is... Guys, I have a lift. I have a freaking lift in my garage. Holy crap, dude. This is my personal garage. Look at this, dude. A garage door that goes all the way up. Got a 220. My electrician should be here any minute to go ahead and get that situated, but... Made a little bit of a mess. You know what? Let me get my handy dandy sick ass broom. Let me show you guys. Look at this cool broom, bro. So sick. Yeah, dude, you guys get real deep in there. Nice and clean. Oh, just get a nice sweep out. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Seriously, dude. I do want to say a massive massive thank you to Bendpak. Bendpak gave us the quick jacks that I've been using. That's literally what I've used to build all of my cars. And now we have stepped up to the Bendpak Grand Prix 2-post lift. They also gave us an oil drain with a really long neck that goes all the way up. And then we have a cherry picker as well. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the cherry picker in a box for a while until I actually need it because it's taking up hella space. They also provided us with a huge industrial sized compressor, but the people at the warehouse dropped it like 10 feet. It was bad. But holy crap, guys. Yo, we got a freaking lift. This is amazing. I don't know how, this might not be that big of a deal for you guys, but I feel so incredibly blessed to like look, like this is crazy. This is so badass. So cool. Snug fit. How cool is it that we have a lift in our garage? Dilemma. I don't have my like race ramp type things to get this thing lifted up a little more. The lift will not fit under this car. So for right now, I'm gonna actually try it with the Skyline. The dream garage. The dream garage. Neato. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna center. Give you a nice little centered shot. There it is. I don't even know what to say. It's insane. Huge thanks to Bendpak, man. I can't wait to I can't wait for my air compressor either. I got a bunch of stuff we still have to outfit the garage in, but this is sick. All right. I just want to use it, so I'm gonna wait till the guy gets here.
That was it.
It did it. It's in the air.
Is that crazy?
That's kind of weird. It's like in my garage.
Floating.
That's so freaking cool. Thank you, Bendpak. Y'all are amazing.
Hi, Michael. You want to see how high it goes up? That's just crazy. You got a lot of space still.
I have more space, you said?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. I could easily park something under this.
Yeah. Maybe a Miata?
No, the Lexus could go under there.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Hell yeah. Okay, so we got a little bit of nighttime action. I want to show you guys, I never really this is so cool. Like, starting off the video with Tokyo Drift being like a mod for the R33, that's pretty cool, but let me show you guys this. This is the freaking dream, dude. This is the dream. This is it, Chief. So I'm gonna usually, I think what I'm gonna do is keep the 350Z up top, which is actually out front. I'm not gonna show you guys that because I have a surprise for you next video. I'll probably keep the JZ under the 350Z, but for now I really just wanted to park them right here because that's really cool. Today was absolutely amazing because I was able to lift up the car in the air and I can actually stand under it. So like right now, this is height right here, but like when I'm in the engine bay, I can stand at full height and I don't have to crouch. I'll have to crouch a little bit, but that's pretty normal for most lifts that are not like in a warehouse or a shop. So it's definitely not a big deal. I'm super used to it. So I actually power washed the undercarriage. I degreased a lot of it. I tightened down bolts that needed to be tightened down. I fixed the alignment. Like, I was able to do things that I've been needing to do for months in about 5 minutes. That would have taken me like 30 minutes, hour, more. This is seriously the biggest game changer we have seen on the channel. So I am so psyched to see what is in store. Like now that it's gonna be so incredibly easy to get under a car and build stuff, like what are we gonna accomplish? And it just, this looks so cool having both these cars like up and down. I don't know. Guys, this is the dream garage. And I just wanna say a humongous thank you to Bendpak. You guys are just awesome. And so are you. Thank you guys for watching the channel. If it wasn't for you guys, don't know where we'd be. One more look at this. It's so freaking cool. So, my daily advice for you guys. There's a quote that's it's pretty cool. You have to think a little bit about it, but it says that without the dark, you would never see the stars. Some of you guys might be going through some tough times right now. You might be going through some dark times, but without the dark, you can never see the stars. There's a lot of times in life where you just really want to just back out and get out, just get the hell out, and you think it's over. Take it from me, as somebody who's struggled with addiction to drugs. A lot of things. I've had a lot of things happen in my life. All of those things have defined me and have shaped me into the person that I am. Even though my darkest times were some of my hardest, it's worth it. I'm glad I got through them. Those dark times showed me the stars in my life. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. That was good timing. You guys got 2 videos to watch. Don't click on somebody else's channel. You gotta stay here, watch one of those freaking videos. Also on the right of the video, you should have some recommended stuff. Just keep on watching some Shanks, bro. I swear, bro, it's lit videos.